how can this peptide affects the tissue repair and also boost collagen? Now, originally, GHK-copper was studied for wound healing. Now, in rats studies, it speed up collagen production, improved cognitive tissues, and heals skin drastically. But here's the kicker: it doesn't just dump collagen randomly. It activates the gene that regulate collagen and elasticity. So the tissue that forms is both strong and also flexible. But that's why it's now making a wave in dermatology. Think like fewer wrinkles, better skin, elasticity, and faster recovery from injury, even joint support.